Revive your car with KM Plus Nanotechnology Maintenance Package. Step 1. Flush your engine. Before changing your used motor oil or lubricant, add KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush into your motor oil. KM Plus Flush allows you to clean stubborn sludge effectively with Bernoulli effect with high engine RPM. It will clean, lubricate, and protect your engine. It is non-volatile, no toxic, safe for mechanic and environment friendly. Specially formulated to dissolve sludge and clean the crankcase. KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush is the only engine flush that cleans and adds lubrication to protect your engine. Step 2. Change the old motor oil and add in new motor oil or lubricant. Step 3. Pour Revo Nano Advanced Engine Treatment into engine. Revo Nano Advanced Engine Treatment instantly regain and improve your engine power. It reduces engine vibration, allowing your engine to run smoother and quieter. Engine runs with a lower temperature. This prolongs your engine life, plus you get a smoother drive. Revo Nano is suitable for all engine lubricants and will instantly increase car's horsepower and torque. Step 4. Pour KM Plus Advanced MultiFunction Injector Cleaner into your fuel tank for every maintenance cycle. This is an eco-friendly cleaning solution and specially formulated to remove gum and deposits to clean fuel delivery system. The only eco-friendly solution that cleans, lubricate, and protect your fuel injectors and fuel delivery system while cleaning. Let us compare the effect of KM Plus Advanced Multifunction Injector Cleansing on the Toyota Hilux. Before, the mileage was 6.67 kilometers per liter of fuel. After cleansing, the mileage improved to 10 kilometers per liter of fuel. Before, the truck had no power, but after cleansing, the truck was very responsive to the driver. Before, there was excessive black smoke emission. After cleansing, there was low level of smoke. After cleaning, you will experience marked improvement in engine performance, reduced fuel consumption, reduction in carbon deposit, which then prolong engine lifespan. Step 5. Regularly add KM Plus Advanced Fuel Additives into fuel tank before pumping fuel. This will improve your car performance and saves fuel. So how does it work? KM Plus atomises fuel into smaller droplets, resulting in larger surface area for more complete combustion. The fuel burns faster and more intensely, translating into more power for performance. It also cleans fuel delivery system and combustion chamber, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency system. With KM Plus Advanced Fuel Additives, fuel atomization optimized combustion. This reduce unburned fuel, reduce carbon deposit in engine, reduce black smoke emission, reduce toxic emission, reduce greenhouse gases emission, and mitigate climate change. KM Plus Maintenance Package. Improve your car performance, prolong your engine life, safe for the mechanics, and green our environment.